Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Uba Sustenance Sotun Myntri Katanar Community and Rural Development ka Sorkar Jala minta kasi ulalit ban Plie Paidbah ya ka Eri Silk Spinning Center jong kasnong Nongthir kabahap hapo kajirang C&Rd Block Bhoi District. Hakani kasni Plie Paidbah ya kateka center kabadan ringkat bat ki machine thir Ksai India. Lawan banedon ringkat ru dau Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi u Abhilash Baranwal u Executive Director ka Indian Oil Corporation Limited u Project Director ka DRDA Bhoi u Raja Brahma u BDO ka Jirang C&Rd Block u Dr. Hajong nalor kiway de kumpan siya thu hangni kidon kumba laipho tali kibakum kini kijat center hakaleng ka Bhoi District hapo ka jingkmi jong ka C&Rd Block paper kibala penyo lengba ka jingshim kya jong ki bor penya district ka Bhoi haringkat ka jingetre lang bat ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society ban kershan pisa da ka IOCL lingba cooperative social responsibility ban Kyntiew ya ka yok ka kod jong ki longkmi nongkendong kiba imja bat pinbit pinbiang ya ka yeng ka sem lingba ka kam thir Ksai bat han jan rindia uba Sustenance Sotun haba ai jingkren ha ka nigasngi ula ai ka jingiro asigi bor penya district ka Bhoi ka MSRLS ka IOCL lembat kiwe de kibalay don bentalang ban penurlong ya ka niga kam kabanlong dasisha ka jingmentoy kabakraw ya ki Nongthir Ksai omtang ha kasnong Nongthir Henry habaro hi kaway ka Bhoi district.
Layo hadir ba sop harus sop dulu ka cycle jong ka jigin jong merknya kalau kumba si benai dina bangkong iyo no problem anda ula pat na ka problem ni saya da kisla di balum pat hadin ka to sini usah khamhe susu ka simpor hadu ar ho isni to baun sop harus sop
very highly, yes, Masin Pentip Nakalian Deputy Commissioner Nakabaca Ban Plie Yakaneka Aerosol Centers Kapa Indian Oil Corporation Limited Kelala Ban Wanra Ban Ai Ïaki Jirap Nakabaca Ki Nongthir Ki Nongthir Lene Ki Bapenmi Yaki Ki Ksai India Kalau penkemen hadu kata-kata yang nama ba kathong te sorkar hamtam hakabidei but ka empowerment Ïaki women but the youth lane ka lat kalenti ban Plie nagbata ki longkmi but ki kun sama kadai kathong ka matam nagbata jopi bapila pan yen hala ki jog ikjat deling pa kini ki machine ki bapiyo menta hakapa mapi pinangla ban Kyntiew susu ya ka production Katung kepakalong mencang kedek area kapa mangingidon kajing penmi yang kini Ksai kalong kebun hadu kata-kata bat punsin pidi hakidor kiba duna bat mental yang bak mesin tekan nang ban pen kiu susu ba pinla ban penmi kampun susu kenapa jingim kejumpi lane kata jingkiu hak kamai kejumpi kamai kejumpi bukan don di asopan aim CMP baro ilong kumi amtam kibadon hak nikah lain na kebenta ban penjebet yalade bapinangla susu kidon ki training kiban IG kai bapinangla susu ban penmi yang kini Ksai bat ngakin turu Ya pi paro iwe na ka benta ka jing pinpha ka jing pi lingba ka jing trace tom ka jing pi kano ka kam juan da pasu kano ka kam ka dai lingba ka jing trace tom ada pi trace tom pi tray minot kala kalanti kan pe na gupta jing pi especially when the minister say especially for our constituency because right here it's my constituency. We have seen many developmental works. It is because of the cooperation, the hard work of all the officers, with the government and with the local representatives as well. So I would like to thank the administration for the initiatives that you have given, the projects that you have put forward along with the Indian Oil Corporation Limited. It is a scheme through CSR, what we know. But whatever help you are getting, what I feel as a local representative, it will be helping for the women's groups, the farmers, the artisan farmers, who will be getting the benefit through these machines. And I was told by a deputy commissioner that the artisan, the worms that we are selling, it's most of are the cocoons, what they call, young India. We are selling to the other state of Assam. And the price that we are selling, it is at the rate of 700 to 800. So, and the quantity that our area is producing, it is in large quantity compared to other areas. So what I feel as the local representative, we are getting the support from the IOCL, the Indian Oil Corporation Limited. We are getting the support with all these machines, which it will help you increase the income from that 700 to 800 per kg. It may increase up to 4,000 or 6,000 according to the quality.
Probably, as I was informed by Matiji, that this project has already received some CSR award, some internal CSR award within IOCL. So, as we speak, sir, in these 30 spinning centers, more than 1,500 women farmers have already been trained. Additional 1,500 will be again trained, so that at least 2,500 to 3,000 family income are going to be enhanced through this project. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Honorable Chief Guest Sir as well, because he has been a constant pillar of support. The moment I spoke with him, he said this is something that we wanted to do. He has been extremely gracious, not just by his attendance, but also ensuring that whatever we have asked for, he has always been more than happy to provide us the same. So thank you, sir. That's all, sir, from my side. I congratulate the VO. I hope that they make the best use of these machines, and I hope that we will be able to serve you in better ways